Hey guys, it's Vanny and welcome back to another mukbang. Today I will show you how to make my personal kimchi fried rice. We will be eating kimchi fried rice with egg and some ramen noodles. But before you guys continue watching, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications because you know that'll really help me out. And today is also Kiwi's last day being in my mukbang videos. She'll be returning back to my mother. Yes, Kiwi. But do not worry, she'll be back. I will bring her back to film more mukbang videos. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed Kiwi's presence. And let's get cooking. These are the ingredients for the kimchi fried rice. It's very simple. You just need some butter, some green onions, spam, onion, sesame oil, some potatoes, and of course, kimchi. You cannot make kimchi fried rice without kimchi. Kimchi juice, pepper flakes, Okay guys, the food is now complete. Oh, it smells so good. Let's go over really quickly what we're eating today before we eat. So over here, I have some kimchi spam potato fried rice with some cheesy egg around it and some furikake seasoning on top. And then over here, we have some potato ramen. It is so good. If you haven't tried it, go to your local Korean market and pick up some because it's delicious. Okay guys. First bite, I really want to try my kimchi fried rice with the egg. So let's try that. Get some of that fried rice with the cheesy egg. I see this right here. Oh shit. Excuse my language. Wow. This is really good. This definitely exceeds my expectations. Look at that cheesy, eggy goodness with the buttery kimchi fried rice. Oh. Oh my god. You guys need to try my kimchi fried rice recipe. It's very good. So good. You could serve this at a restaurant. The cheesy egg just makes it so much more wonderful. Wow. kimchi fried rice is so buttery. And those red pepper flakes that I added make a difference. I do wish it was a bit spicier though. I know kimchi fried rice isn't supposed to be spicy, but I love spicy food. The Spam, onions, and the texture of the potatoes, so good. You guys need to add potatoes when you make kimchi fried rice. I really love it. It just like soaks and absorbs all the flavors, and it's just really delicious. Okay, let's eat some potato ramen. I actually haven't had potato ramen in a while, so I'm really interested to know if it's still as good as I remember. Ooh. Oh, the thing I love about the potato ramen is the texture of the noodles. It's nice and chewy. It's not soggy. It's just so good. Lots of good textures. Very good. That broth is so good. It's a bit spicy, just very little, and I like it. I like the little spice. I definitely have to try potato ramen. I can't rave enough about it. Delicious. Let's try eating some of the kimchi fried rice with seaweed. I love eating it with seaweed. It is so good. So you just put some of the kimchi fried rice on the seaweed, just like this, like a little wrap. It is delicious. Let's put some more this time with some egg. That cheesy egg is so good. You guys need to try making the fried rice, putting it in a bowl, and then put some egg around it with some cheese. I know in my preparation video, I didn't give you guys the recipe for the egg, but it's like very simple. I just used 3 eggs, some water, garlic salt, pepper, some sesame oil, and then a little bit of anchovy powder. That's like not necessary though. If you guys don't have that, you can skip it. Delicious. Oh my god. Kimchi fried rice with the seaweed. I am obsessed with eating it like this. It is just so good. So do you guys like it? Or do you guys prefer me to make more cooking videos compared to takeout? I know I've received a few comments saying you guys actually prefer the cooking videos, but I want more opinions on it. If so, I will try to make more cooking videos. I think it's beneficial for both of us because I will expand my capability of cooking as well as I search for more recipes to make. I love the noodle texture of the potato ramen so much. Take a really, really big bite of the fried rice. I love kimchi fried rice. That is like really buttery. So butter is a key ingredient for some dank kimchi fried rice. If you don't want to use butter, you can also use pork fat. I've never tried it myself, but when we were in Seattle, we went to this Korean fusion place and they had really good kimchi fried rice. It was so buttery and it just like melts in your mouth. And we asked the guy, how did you guys make this? Like, did you use some special type of butter? And he was like, nope, we used the fat from the pork belly. So he must have put a lot of fat in there to get that really buttery taste, but it was so good. So maybe next time I'll actually try that. My last seaweed wrap. No. So good. Okay, guys. These are gonna be the final bites. That snoring that you just heard, by the way, was Kiwi. She's like laying right under me. We fed them a bunch of chicken before I filmed. So they are currently food coming right now. last bite of this tasty kimchi fried rice. Ooh, with the cheesy egg. Just realized I haven't drank any liquids. Today is not boricha day, guys. We ran out of boricha. So we'll be drinking green tea. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications because you know they'll really help me out. Okay, see you guys next time.